I've been a dental technician for about 32 years. I've worked on thousands of smiles. I've made partials and I've worked on teeth for quite a while, and I never thought I would have to wear one myself. This material feels the most natural that I've had in my mouth the last 5 years. As soon as I got it out of the printer, I treated it like I would a bridge or a crown, and I added a little bit of touch-up, polished it up, and it went in like a glove.
Traditionally, these flexible partials have been processed and manufactured in the laboratory using analog techniques. Very time-consuming, lots of room for error. Now, the hardware, the software, the materials have all come together. It couldn't be a more exciting time in dentistry.
My speech is a lot more clear. I can enunciate. There is no movement in the partial. It snaps right in and stays in.
We have a lot of experience with the different printing platforms that are out there. With Carbon, we don't have to worry about anything. The reliability of a Carbon printer is best in class.
This material has made it really so much more comfortable, and I feel that confidence.
What it's done for us in the laboratory has been revolutionary. They're more comfortable for the patient, great fit, great aesthetics, and you have the ability to archive the data. It's a better patient experience overall because you can do it digital.
Without a doubt, I would recommend the FP3D material. The FP3D is the only way to go.